Here I am back in the Netlify site, and here you can see the course which we right now deployed to-do list React course. And if I just click it, and here you can see site has not yet been deployed. So you can just tap over it, and here you can just see the deploy preview. If you tap it, and you can just click the preview deploy, so you can see this is just a temporary link to just view how it will be look when it has been hosted. So you can just check whether the functionalities is working properly. Yeah, it's working. Okay, fine, it's working properly. So we can come back here and click the publish deploy button. Yeah, so if we click the publish button, yeah, right now you can see it has been deployed. Now if I just go here, you can see the link to do list react course.netlify.app. It's finished. So at last we have successfully finished this course by uploading the project which you done in this course in the internet. We have hosted it even for free. So like this, you can create whatever apps you want in the React and you can host it here in the Netlify for free.